Hey everybody, it's Professor Hatch. I'm here to talk about the second essay, which is the tired, I've been doing this all day, the persuasive essay. So I'm going to share my screen and we'll get talking about this. Yeah, there's that launch tab. Let's go over, is this it? Yeah, persuasive essay. So I'm just going to read the assignment prompt. Racism in America hasn't changed in the last 100 years. Has not changed in the last 100 years. Having read Notes of a Native Son by James Baldwin and Between the World and Me by Ta-Nehisi Coates, and having viewed the documentary 13th, directed by Ava DuVernay, please write an essay either agreeing or disagreeing with the above statement. As you consider your argument, you may want to think of supplemental videos we've watched in class. That won't be a thing for you because this is an online class this semester, or recent documentaries or news stories you may have seen or read. This, by all means, please feel free to use the essay template. We talked about that in the last essay video that I did, and I won't spend time talking about it here. This is going to be, the requirements for this are going to be 1,000 words minimum. You do need a works cited page for this because you are going to be using 4 sources, no less than 4 sources for this essay. That means that, by the way, and we'll talk about this in, I guess, you know what, we'll talk about this in the outline video. There's no need to waste time on it for this video. No less than 4 sources. 2 of those sources have to come from the assigned reading / viewing, which means Baldwin, Coates, or DuVernay, the documentary 13th. And 2 of them have to come from scholarly peer-reviewed academic journals. If you are not sure how to find a source from a scholarly peer-reviewed academic journal, I'm going to ask that you go over here to modules, not the grade book, but modules. And then under academic writing here, you will see scholarly peer-reviewed sources. Please click on that. I'm going to talk a little bit about what they are, why they're important, and then there will be a video, not this one that is currently unavailable, because that's one of the things I still have to do tonight, is record a new video talking about this stuff, where I will demonstrate how to find a source using our library's academic database. You cannot use Google Scholar. It has to be from our library's academic database. And there will be a video here showing you how to do that, since we're not going to be meeting in class this semester. So that really is the gist of the whole thing. In the video I make for the outline, we will discuss structure, and it still only needs to be a 5-paragraph essay, but you're going to have 4 quotes. So that means one of your body paragraphs is going to need to have 2 quotes in it, which if you remember the last outline video, the outline template for this class actually shows you how to do that, and we will go into detail on that in that video, not in this one. So you're going to read Baldwin, you're going to read Coates, you're going to watch the documentary 13th, and then you're going to find 2 sources from the academic database at our school library's website. You only have to use 2 of the sources, the assigned reading, whether it's the documentary or Baldwin or Coates. And then you're going to use the 2 academic sources and the 2 assigned reading sources, and you are going to argue that racism either has changed in the last 100 years, you're going to argue that it has and that you disagree with the statement, or you're going to agree that it has not changed in the last 100 years. So you're either going to agree or disagree with the statement racism has not changed in the last 100 years, and you are going to use these 4 pieces of evidence to support your reason why or why not. Hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, as always, text me on Remind. If you need to talk in person, meet me on Zoom during my office hour. If that doesn't work, we can try, depending on what your schedule is in mind. I'll do my best to work around your schedule. We can do a one-on-one on Zoom. Probably Remind will be fine, but if you do need to meet on Zoom, that's cool. I'm going to shut up now. Sound good? Of course it does. We'll talk soon.